Hello, welcome once again to this channel. My name is Lydia Nachivule. In today's video, we are going to learn how to crochet an I-cord strap. Materials: macrame yarn 3 mm, hook 5.5 mm, and a pair of scissors. We start with a slip knot and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We are going to insert the hook into the next chain and pull up the loop, and in the next chain and pull up the loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. We are going to use this finger to attach these 2 loops and remove the hook and remain in the last loop. We'll pull up the chain like this, insert into the next chain and pull up the loop, and again the 3rd chain and pull up the loop. We are going to continue with this. Remove the hook, remaining with the last chain, we'll pull up the loop, insert into the next chain, we'll pull up the loop, and this chain and pull up the loop. And we are going to continue with this until you have your side length of the strap. When removing the hook, make sure this finger touches these 2 loops such that they don't move. And you continue until you have your side length of the strap. Once you have your side length of the strap, we are going to pull through all these 3 loops and chain 1 and cut off the yarn. This is how it looks.